Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. And for this website you need a faucet pay. I go to this website link available in description. Okay, first of all, copy your Dogecoin wallet address and come here, paste it, and you go to faucet pay, go to deposit, copy your Dogecoin wallet address. This is your Dogecoin, copy it and come here, paste it. It's too easy, not too hard to doing anything. And after that, just click login. After login, and come down in here, you can see a continue button, and wait to this page will be load fully. My internet connection today is very slow, about that, sorry. And you can see a lot of people making amount from here. They receive their amount to their wallet address. After the page fully load, just click continue. In here you can see this, just solve this. First of all, this capture. After that, come to recapture, and the first one is this, and the second one, the third one is this one and this one. And just solve the capture and come down, just click verify capture and wait few seconds, and this website send me your Satoshi instantly to your faucet pay. Go to your faucet pay, go to overview, come down. In here you can see your withdrawal. Just wait few seconds, the page will be load fully. And this is the withdrawal proof. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.